Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the status of your order and how you can track your order on the Zappyconnect platform. So I'm going to show you how to check and track the orders that you make on Zappyconnect platform step by step. So let's get started with the video.
Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be using a mobile device for this tutorial. So if you are using a laptop or you're using a mobile phone, it's the same steps to get to where we're going to. So let's get right into the video. So if you are on your phone or your laptop, the first thing you need to locate is your browser, right? So you can use any browser for this tutorial, or you can use any browser to log into our website, but for this video I'm going to use a Chrome browser. So I'm right here, I'm going to log into my Chrome browser, right? And I'm on my Chrome browser right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our website, which is zappyconnect.com. So I'm going to go to zappyconnect.com. I want to put in the website, and it's going to take me to the landing page, right? It's going to take me to the home page of zappyconnect.com. So you can scroll down and you can check out the services. If you are new, if you are not new, this is the right time to register on our website, right? So you can sign up by clicking the sign up button over here. This is the sign up button over here, so you can click on it and then you will be able to register on our platform. But if you are not new, then you know that you need to log in order to use the platform, right? So I already have an account, so I will not be signing up for a new account. But if you don't have an account, check out our previous video. We have made a video on how you can register on Zappyconnect. I hope that video helps you in order to be a member of the family. So right now I'm going to click on this hamburger menu over here, and then I'm going to go to login. Now for this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can track your service that you purchased, right? How to check if it's successful, if it's pending, or how many of the conversion has been successful, right? If you purchased 1,000, how many has been sent and how many is remaining? So now I'm going to click over here in order to put my username and my password. So I'm going to be using one of my accounts which I've created before. Now I've inserted my username and I've inserted my password on this login form. So what I'm going to do is to click on the I am not a bot, right? And then I'm going to prove that I'm not a bot by selecting the bridge on these images, right? So I've selected the bridge and I'm going to verify. You can see. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to sign in into my account. So as you can see, I'm on my dashboard and I have successfully logged in into my account. So what I'm going to do now, in order to check my history and check my transaction which I made previously, I'm going to click on this hamburger menu over here, and then I'm going to go to order over here. So once I click on order, what I'm going to do is all order, right? So you can see the all order over here. I'm going to click on it and then I'll be taken down to the all order page. So as you can see, we are viewing this page as a mobile viewer, right? So we're viewing it on our mobile phone, so it's going to look a little bit different from what it is originally. You can't see any information that verifies all these details over here. So if you want to see the correct details arranged the right way, what you just need to do is to click over here and then go down to desktop sites, right? You see it will change automatically and it will give you the right view you're supposed to see it in. So if you are using a desktop, you don't have to do this, but if you are using a mobile, then you need to put it on the desktop view in order to see the complete charts and the complete view of everything, right? So as you can see, here is an order I purchased, like the one I just showed you before, the Facebook profile followers, and you can see over here there is price, there is start counter, there is remains, and there is order time, right? So the order time, and then there is the status of the order. And there's more if you want to view the details, like the transaction details of that order, right? So I'm going to close this. So if you can look closely, the starter, like the start counter, means that this is where your followers or whatever you purchased started from. Like if you had 5 followers on Instagram and you bought 1,000 followers, your start counter is going to be 5, meaning that you currently had 5 followers and then you purchased 1,000 followers. So if you just placed an order, you will see 1,000 followers on the remains, right? So the more we send you followers, the remains will be dropping till it gets to 0, and then we'll stop sending you followers, right? So when the remains completely reach 0, the status will get to completed. So this is the price that you purchased the order. So this is the start counter where the order started from. So this is the remains. the quantity that is left for us to deliver to you, and the order time when you place the order, and the status if it's completed or not. If the status is completed, it is processing or it is cancelled, it will show over here. If it's pending, to show. It is partial, it will show. And the cart button over here is the order details, so the details of the order that you requested for. So we can close this. If you click on completed over here, you will see all the completed order that you have purchased from Zappyconnect. Now if you click on cancelled over here, you will get all the cancelled orders on Zappyconnect. And if you click on all orders over here, you are going to get all the orders that you purchased on Zappyconnect. So we're going to go back to mobile. So as you can see, here is the transactions that I've made on zappyconnect.com. So you can see completed, 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 cancelled, and the rest. So here I can check each transaction, if they were successful, if they are processing, if they were completed, if they are pending, if they are cancelled. So I can check everything and I can track it from here. So once you place an order, you can always go back and check whether it's processing, right? So you can see here I purchased TikTok followers, right, worldwide, silver quality, and it was completed. So this one, Facebook profile followers worldwide, silver quality, is processing, right? So if you have any question or you have something that you do not understand, please contact us on our contact center on WhatsApp, or you can send us an email and I will definitely answer that question personally. So I hope that you got value from this video and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment on the comment section if you have any question, and I'll see you on the next one.